Welcome to Rapportkommentarer Direkt. With me on link today, I've got the CEO of Collect on Demand, John O'Connor. Welcome, John.
Good morning, and thanks for having me on this morning.
So Collect records year-on-year growth in Q2 2020, despite COVID-19, with quarterly revenues of about 12 million SEK. Are you happy with the financial results for this quarter?
Yes, we're extremely happy with the results. We recorded growth of 75% Q2 2020 versus Q2 2019. And this strong growth is testament to the hard work of our team throughout COVID and also the resilience of the waste industry. A lot of industries were impacted by COVID-19, but thankfully, the waste industry relatively remains unaffected. Everyone generates waste, every household, every business, every hospital, and people need to get rid of that waste. So all in all, it was really encouraging to grow so strongly in this quarter, but also while conserving our cash.
So while revenue and profit increased, the margins fell. Is this what we should expect with higher volumes of sales?
No, not necessarily. We don't expect to grow sales and then the margin to decrease. It's just down to a different revenue mix. We're relatively young as a company and we're always focusing on different products. So for us, it's some of the products that we focus on might be, high sales price but low margin. So really it's about getting the product mix right. We'll focus now for the next quarters on more higher gross margin products rather than maybe those ones that generate a lot of revenue. It's not necessarily that we grow revenue and margin decrease, not at all.
And as a result of the impact of COVID-19, you decided to focus all your energy on domestic and household waste customers. Will you continue to do this in the future, even when the pandemic is over?
No, I suppose needs must. COVID-19 and the pandemic really affected commercial businesses in Ireland and the UK. Due to government regulations, a lot of restaurants, pretty much all restaurants and retail units had to shut down. So as a company, we sort of focused management time, our digital and sales team on the domestic opportunity. Now, thankfully, because of our work and also because of the demand for what we are offering, that's more than made up for the decrease in commercial revenue. But as a business, there's a huge opportunity for us, and we've already validated that opportunity within the commercial space. The country's opened back up. In the UK as well, commercial businesses are back on track, and we're already making up and growing that side of the business.
You've also decided to introduce 2 new business lines. Can you tell me a bit about this, please?
Yeah, so I suppose the pandemic also presented us with opportunities. And one of those actually that came up that I'll speak about is the skip bags. So skip bags is a complementary product to our skip hire, container hire. And what it is a skip bag, it's probably allowing domestic customers to get waste collected, but at a lower price point. So, we introduced that product in April this year, and it more than made up for the shortfall that we found in commercial business. So really this product grew quickly and there's a huge need in the market for us. The second this line that we introduced during the last quarter was commercial cleaning, and I suppose that was as a response to our market and some of our commercial customers looking for us. We also hired an industry leader in that space. So this is demand that came from some of our existing customers, and it's a line that we will over the next few months keep an eye on and see where it really goes.
I see. I know that you've also launched an updated version of your website. What's new with this one?
Yeah, so we're very excited about this. We've applied all our learnings over the last number of years onto this version. What I mean by that is we are always looking at the customer journey on our platform. We're always looking at the UI and the UX and how we can make it, our vision is to make it more simple for people to book a waste service online. So simple means that people can, put in, I want my couch collected, and they land on a page that's particularly for couches, and they can get a price and get out off the website as quick as possible. So we've huge investment gone into the UI and UX and just making the aesthetic of the website clearer and faster for customers to get through. So, that in turn leads to higher conversion rate from people landing on your platform, and in turn increased sales.
And last time we spoke, you told me about your plans to enter the UK market and that they have been postponed. Are they still put on hold?
No, we're back in the UK market. We went back in June. The main reason we just postponed them was because of the uncertainty of what was happening in the UK. But we're an ambitious company. We've already validated the market over there. Right now at the moment, we're back up and running, and we've huge ambitions, as in there's, our addressable market over in the UK there's 75 cities, and in those cities there's a population of 40 million that needs what we have and what we're offering. We're super excited about the UK, and we expect to leverage good growth there over the next few quarters.
Well, John, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you good luck in the future.
Thank you, and thanks for having me on.